This is the elevator at Belk-Town Center at Cobb in Kennesaw, Georgia. There are the escalators. There's the elevator sign. And this is a glass Montgomery M elevator. Here it is. Look upon the shaft. It's really nice. Go up to 2. This is the blue indicator. Let's look at this. Wow, this is really nice. This store used to be a Parisian until Belk bought them. Here at 2. It's another side and another side. Go down to 1. There is the capacity 2,500 pounds and the phone and alarm. Love that blue indicator. This is a really nice elevator, especially because it's glass. There's another look at the skylight. And there are the escalators. Look up high, hello. Look at the door, hello. Take it up one more time. Here are the escalators. And it on 1. The elevator sign. Look at this. I would like to say that this is my favorite Belk in all of Atlanta. This is my favorite department store elevator in the Atlanta area as well. And this is a nice elevator in a really nice store. And this is the nicest elevator at Town Center Cobb. Here are 1, and that's it.